Hi there, welcome to the Lad Mix Farm channel. In today's episode, we'd like to look at how you can effectively raise a nursery bed for your seedlings and really have very good, healthy seedlings. You can identify actually a spot on your garden, and then depending on the seedlings or the seeds that you have, dig and loosen the soil. Once you do that, and put molds, small heaps in line, let's say of 1 meter width, and maybe 10 meters or 5 meters or 8 meters length. And then there you'll be able to, heap that soil together along in that fashion. Then identify your manure, and then come and put it there, mix it properly with this soil. Once you do that, identify dry grass and spread it all over where you've loosened the soil and heaped it well. That is going to allow you be able to burn this grass on top of this soil. We do this in order to kill those tiny insects that might have come in the dung. They could be the harmful insects, such that once you're going to plant your seeds in there, you're sure that all the insects and weevils that might be in the soil are actually killed. Now, once you do that, is to ensure that once you plant, you are sure that the seed is going to germinate once taken care of properly. So you burn this grass on top of your nursery bed, and then you leave it to cool for a day. Now, the following day, now you can bring your seeds and start, make small lines, or just sprinkle the seeds along the molds that you made, and then you cover with a loose soil, not so heavily, because seeds are not supposed to be put really down into the soil. You just spread them all over, and then just bring little soil and spread it over. Okay? Once you do that, then you'll be able to bring grass and cover the top. This is to ensure that, for instance, you want to prevent the seeds and the seedlings that will start emerging from very strong heat, if you're doing it during the dry season, or even if it is during the rainy season. But also the rains can be quite harmful if you just leave it bare. So you'll find all your seedlings growing very healthy without being, attacked, bugs eating their leaves or stem and chopping off sometimes the tips of these seedlings. So you are sure to generate the population of seedlings as per the seeds you've been able to spread in this nursery bed. So it is a simple but most effective way if you can't afford these seeding pots that can help you, do it in a more modern way. This is to help you out there if you're a beginner, or if you don't have sufficient resources, just like we do on this farm. And that's how we've been able to generate this healthy garden. Thank you so much. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And for our returning subscribers, our regulars, thank you so much. We are happy. You are the ones making us who we are, and we want to journey with you. Feel free to give us your comments and suggestions, and we'll be able to respond when we come through. Thank you very much.